Now we will do how to carry out maintenance of elevator. Now on the ship we have this trunking of the elevator and the elevator cage. Sometimes it may happen if the cage is going down or up from inside the elevator. Maybe you are hearing some abnormal sound which is coming out from outside the elevator, either from top or bottom. So you want to sit on top of the elevator in order to see where is that noise coming from. So is this advisable? Yes, provided we take some, if we follow the correct procedures and take the all the precautions. So if you want to sit on top of the elevator, there are two methods. One is first go inside the elevator, then on top there is a emergency escape. You can open that and then go on top. And then the other method is you go one deck up, open the door, and there are steps going down, and then you can stand on top of the elevator. So the first method is preferred, that is from inside the cage. Because in the second method, if you are coming down from the steps and someone calls the elevator up, the elevator will start going up and you might be injured, crushed, crushing injury. So always, if you want to go on top of the elevator, go inside the cage and then open the emergency escape, which is on the roof. As soon as you open the emergency escape, there a cutout will be activated, and if someone calls the lift, it will not move up or down. Then as soon as you go up, if this is the elevator cage and you go up, you will find a switch here which says manual or auto. Normally it is always on auto. So when it's on auto, if someone calls the lift, it can go up and down. So as soon as you go on top, you put the switch to manual. Now, if someone calls the elevator, it will not move. It will go in manual mode. Only you can control it from top. Now you can close this emergency escape because it's already put on manual. And now here you will have arrow up and arrow down. So if you want to move the elevator, now it is on manual, upwards, you can press the arrow up, elevator will start going up. And if you press arrow down, it will start going down. And it is on manual mode. And then you can see where the noise is coming from. Now again you have two options, either to take the elevator down and then go on top of the elevator and then move the elevator up using this button, arrow up, or you can take the elevator right on top, open the emergency escape and then use the arrow down. So which is the better method? This one, take the elevator down and then go on top, or take the elevator right on top and then go on top. This method is preferred because from here you will be taking the elevator down. So your head will have less chance of hitting anything. But if you are using this method and then you are using arrow up, there is a chance your head might hit some object. So better to go from up to down. So this is about elevator maintenance.